Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add mention or how to tag your friend over a post or content that you already posted into Instagram. So first thing we have to do is open the Instagram application, and now you just need to go into our profile and find out which post that we want to tag our friends in. So for example, I want to tag my friend into this post. So to tag your friends or to add a mention over this post, you just need to click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go by click the edit. And now in this edit section, you will have two type of edits. You can edit the captions, or you can also add the location. You can tag people as well as edit the text. But since today we want to tag our friends or add a mention, you just need to go click tag people, and now you just need to tap the particular or specific part that you want to choose. For example, this cheesecake reminds me to my friends, so let's tag my friends. You just need to type the name of the friends. Okay, and after you find it, you just need to click it, and after that you just need to click done. And now you already have one person that you already tagged into this content. Click done again. And that's all the way how you tag or add mention of your friends on your content that you already posted on Instagram. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.